In this video, we will look at the DOC and DOCX conversion tab in WordMorpher. This tab is used to convert Word documents between older doc format and newer DOCX format. DOC is the older Microsoft Word document format. DOCX is the newer format and is usually recommended for modern document workflows. Converting old doc files to DOCX can make documents easier to edit, search, process, archive, and use with modern tools. WordMorpher can also convert DOCX files back to doc when older systems or older software require the legacy Word format. First, open the DOC and DOCX conversion tab. Choose the folder that contains the documents you want to convert. If you want to include files inside subfolders, enable Include Subfolders. Next, choose the conversion direction. Select Doc to DOCX if you want to modernize older Word files. Select DOCX to doc if you need to create files compatible with older Word versions or legacy systems. When everything is ready, click Convert. WordMorpher will process the supported files in the selected folder. The progress bar shows how far the conversion has progressed. The log area shows which files were found, which files were converted, and whether any errors occurred. The original documents are not deleted. After the conversion is finished, check the output files and review the log. If a file cannot be converted, the log can help you identify the reason. This conversion feature may require Microsoft Word or LibreOffice, depending on your system and file type. If the required external tool is missing, WordMorpher will notify you. You can also export the log as TXT, CSV, or PDF if you want to keep a record of the conversion. Use Clear to remove the current log before starting a new operation. The DOC and DOCX conversion tab is useful when you need to modernize older document archives, prepare documents for batch processing, or maintain compatibility with older software. In the next video, we will look at the Fix File tab, which can help repair problematic Word documents